Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here to share my scavenger hunt 2023. It is done, completed. Ready to see? And this is the cover I made for it. It's my own art, my own mixed media paper. And that's what it looks like from the side. It is a bit chunky, as you can all see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the center, and I'll take the pages out to be able to show you. It'll make it a little easier on us. I have two like signatures, as you can see. That's what the inside looks like. Got the list here. That's the back. So I'll go pages. So this one is least favorite color. I don't really have a least favorite color, so I use brown. This is my junk mail. There. This is my upside down page. And you flip it over. This is draw your day. It's me at my desk. Draw an art supply. So I kind of drew that. This is reuse your art. And this background is a lot of my art. Make a border in a collage. This is something about trains. And here's this train, and it's a Dwight D. Eisenhower. We have a railroad museum here in Green Bay, and that's where it's located. So I thought that was a good fact about where I'm from. And this is my steampunk. This is clusters, button, feather, and twine. The crumps right there. Something international with some stamps I had. Candy. A prop off a label of a can. This is washi tape and my business card. And this is the postage and vintage photo. And this is my page of white. This is out of a magazine. And rag flag. I didn't know what a rag flag was, and then I found out later. But this is what I did. So it's my rag flag. And it's my used fiber and thread, so it's all in one. But I got told later what a rag flag is, so I made one of those too. And then this is my Dollar Tree paint swatch, food packaging, and packaging of my choice. This is my decorated alphabetic letters. As a matter of fact, the first one I did. And then on the other side is draw a monster. So, and then prompt create emoji. So I did the little paint palette with my name in the center and add a little emoji. This is my tag. This is quote and napkin. The quote, we're all a little broken, but broken crayons still color. One of my crayons came off. I have it on the table. But these are some crayons that I've put in there. The other side is a music splatter, ink splatter, an autographed, and mushrooms. And then this is autographs. This is from Miss America. It's a joke, and then her husband, I think he looks like a ZZ Top, so they did that for me. This is a craft by another crafter, fib art. This is my little emoji, a little dog. My granddaughter showed me how to make that. My found object is a bottle cap I found outside. Oh no, put it back on. And this is my tribute to somebody. I wrote a tribute to my mom. I'll put that back. This is my ransom note. This is something given to me. Alley Cat gave me that. My broken item, coffee tea page, book page, postcard. A vintage children book. This did Winnie the Pooh. I split the book in half so I could use both sections, and I just kind of added some stickers. This is flowers. I colored that. And this is tissue paper and the mandolin. I can't draw them, so I just colored them. I'm not a draw. I can't draw. Not the very best. Okay. This is a vintage story again, and that is toilet paper. This is a coffee filter. I just did a little scenery. Made it a flower. This is the stencil with texture. And I did a border on this one as well with texture. This is outer space, a message from outer space, and I used some random fret. I painted this. I thought I did a good job of making it look like the world. And then my husband came up with this he's saying, look at the marble. And the random fact says, Venus is the only planet that rotates counterclockwise. And in this one, place you want to go. I want to go to Amsterdam to go to the Van Gogh Museum. It's a dream of mine. And then this is gratitude page. And it says gratitude. It's having friends geeky enough they will spend an entire weekend with you crafting on Messenger. So a few friends I do that with, so I thought it was fitting. This is my note. Dear Tina, clean the litter box. It's Thursday. Note to self. Yeah, it's a joke to me and my husband. He always reminds me because he thinks I forget. Crayon box. It's the legit crayons in there. These are my stickers. They do smell. This is my Snarky, don't have a cow man, my favorite animal. And I created a sticker with it. A coupon, and then you use squares and use circles. The only thing is I wish I'd have did this page on cardstock instead of regular. This is another vintage story. And use, I can't read what that one, number 77. What was number 77? Use watercolor, yes. And rubber stamps. This is watercolor behind it. This is my favorite school subject was history. So and then this is the map page. And this is my mind map. The carrot and all the things. What the heck got in there? And everything you make with carrots. And I created these vegetable stickers. I made vegetable stickers, so I did it all in this one. This is my tree and leaves. No, I did not draw this. I printed it and I colored it with colored pencils. This is my planner page. An unused product because I had this washi tape. I never used it. So I did that. This is my wild card. I did this whole thing. And then here's, I guess, is a rag flag. Which I didn't know. And then this is ATC from a friend. Or fib art too, you could classify that one. Foil, includes stitching, add a pocket, paper beads. Yeah, my paper bead is something to desire about, but I did it. Not the best, but it's there. And this is some fib art, or fib mail. I left it in here. And then it's my favorite color page is red. Decorate a paper clip, and that's there, and here, and here. This is actually fib art as well. Here's my zodiac sign. Then on the other side is the newspaper headline. Add an envelope and craft paper, paper dolls, and then a hidden message is in here. And that's all 100 prompts completed. I like doing this. I did it twice now, last year's and this year. And I think I'm branching a little bit, doing them. I do know that if I do this again next year, I'm going to put a bigger spine. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. Go check out Janet M. Young Scavenger Hunt. It's hashtag Scavenger Hunt 2023 because there's still time. You have until April 1st to complete. So, thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.